This is the Rob and Roz recap.
Rob, have you ever called someone and repeatedly called them even though you had the wrong number for them?
I have not. My Akondova Olibis.
Ai man,
We're
dit was 'n wonderlike oomblik.
All of our favorite moments of the year, and this just caught us completely off guard.
Join us as we count down our favourite moments of 2025 on The Drive with Rob and Roz.
Dis Libies hier van Pretoria. Dink ek stuur al vir julle 20 of 30 boodskappe en geniet julle show. Op stadium toe bel 'n taamlike ou oom my en hy laat weet my asseblief hou op van boodskappe stuur. Ek het een nommer verkeerd.
I'm glad you finally got the right number, my friend.
Yes, it was the weirdest thing. I was really thinking you guys aren't interested in me. So I'm just number 21 million or something like that. Eergister kry ek nou 'n video call van Jacaranda af. En ek dink, what?
Nee.
Kyk eens wat ek aan het en ek dink vir myself, gaan ek nou hierdie video call antwoord?
You know,
en ek
you
antwoord
lick
nou
the
maar
palm of
video
your hand.
call.
Just do your hair quick.
And then when I answered, this angry old man is looking back at me. Please stop messaging me.
Weet jy wat gaan ons doen? Ons gaan vir jou 'n Drive with Rob and Roz hamper stuur.
Awesome. Ek het geweet ek gaan wen op 'n stadion.
Hi Robin Rosneer, kyk dis nou net op Jacaranda. Iemand die verkeerde nommer kan WhatsApp en nog steeds 'n prys kan wen, hè. Ek moet sê julle is one of a kind.
Jacaranda FM.